my name is Tadaisha.
So, this second game of the season, we've been working really, really hard. We're trying to do a lot of things. We're trying to make a staple in Moss Point. We are Moss Point High School Tiger Band, the pride of the River City. And we're really trying to make this happen. We're trying to bring pride into this city, pride into this community, and just let everybody know what Moss Point has to offer. Just watch.
I'm Jakor. I'm in 11th grade. I play tenor drum right now on percussion. I really just joined band because it's a family thing. So, you know, it's a talent that I always had, so I had to just get back on it.
My name's Kavai. I play bass drum. I'm in 10th grade. It's my first year, like a week ago. And I just started playing. Now I'm on the field show this Friday.
My name Braylon. I wanted to play cymbals and everything, you know. I came in the band for my first year. Wanted to play cymbals for a reason because I play drums at church, and you know, I just like the band.
My name is Darian. I'm in the 8th grade. This is my first year playing. I played snare drum at the middle school, and I play cymbals for the high school.
I understand who's playing the cadence. Yes, I know that. But dang, everybody just stopped. I ain't know what to do. Cause usually people be playing at that part, so I was like, oh, so they stopped. And then they was like, "What you doing?" I was like, "Oh, my fault." Like, and then this man, bro, man.
Oh, this a video?
Yes, I'm feeling good. Okay.